The hiccups? They don't go away? No? Aren't they annoying? Yeah? And they won't go away? No? Oh, poor baby. You want them to stop? Hmm? You want them to stop? Caeleigh? Still got them? Yeah. You still got the hiccups? Yeah. Okay. Almost done? Yeah? Almost? No? No, they're still there. You still got them? Yeah. You want some water? Oh, they're so annoying, aren't they? Oh, I thought they went away. You done? You don't want to talk to me no more?